Hi guys, it's Sheena Kelly. I wanted to show you guys how you can lay down your lace wig within 5 minutes. So this wig is from Sapphire Wigs and you can find them on Amazon. They are a great company. I have multiple wigs from them that are very beautiful. So this wig is a rooted cool toned brown wig. It is a lace front wig. It comes with 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps. So if it doesn't fit your head, you can make it a little tighter. I'm going to show you guys how to pluck this thing, how to get this on your head in 5 minutes. Okay, so I flip it upside down when I put it on, and then I kind of see where my ears fit, kind of adjust it, see how I want to cut the lace and everything, see how it looks, feel myself. Take it off. We're going to get little scissors and then we're going to start cutting the lace not too close to the hair because you don't want to cut that off, and not too far away either. So I just cut it up like right up against it. Sometimes I do cut it different, so just note that. And I use these small scissors because it's easier not to get a blunt cut, and it gets it a kind of jagged cut to where it looks less fake. Okay, now we're going to get some tweezers in a second, and we're going to start plucking the part. I only plucked it just a little bit. You do not have to do this. I'll show you what you can do if you don't want to pluck it. Okay, we'll brush them out, brush that hair out. And so you can take some concealer on a little brush and just kind of make the part look a little wider. Then I put some powder foundation on the inside. Okay, we're going to try it on again. Brush it out. This thing does not tangle. I cannot believe it. Synthetic wigs usually are very tangly. Sapphire Wigs is pretty good about that. And I'm just feeling myself here. The curls. You can brush this out more if you want, but I like tighter curls, you know. Okay, I'm going to take some mousse and I'm just going to lay down the top so there's no hair sticking up. I like to put dry shampoo on it because it makes the shininess from the synthetic go away. And then I use the coconut oil just to give it some oils like natural hair would have. And it makes it like any flyaways stay down. Now, this is some glue that I'm using for my wig, and you don't have to do this. You can even use a gel or not glue it at all, but I like to, recently I've been liking gluing it down because it just ensures that it's not gonna fall back or fly up. And it, you know, just watch some tutorials if you're going to use a wig glue though. This is how the wig turned out. I hope you like this so much. Make sure to follow me on all my socials linked below, and follow Sapphire Wigs. They will be linked below as well. A big thank you, and subscribe if you haven't.